Okay, let's do a little bit of refactor. Like I said, I'm not comfortable with having this duplicate methods. It's not just cool. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a series request, and then the update series request and the create series request can inherit from this request. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. Let me create a request, PHP artisan make request, and this is going to be series request. Okay, so in our series request, we have a blank request right here. But what I want to do is actually want to make sure everything works in my test, so that the refactor stage is going to actually make sure we didn't break anything, right? So the test run well. Now I would make sure that the update series request and the create series request inherit from this class. So I'll head over to my update series request and I'll pull out this method, cut it out completely, visit my series request and paste it in. Okay, so we have this method available. Then in my update series request, I'm no longer going to be extending form request from Laravel, but I'll be extending series request. So I don't need this anymore. Okay, so as series request, it's not going to have an authorization method because I want to take care of this in the child classes. It's not also going to have a rules method. It's just going to have this method that is common to both classes. So, which means in our create series request, we can also pull out this method completely. And then it's no longer going to extend form request, but it's going to extend series request. And I'll pull out this use. And now everything should work as expected because this method now is common to both classes. So let's run our test again and see if we broke anything. Okay, great. We didn't break anything, right? But then we removed that duplication by also extending custom request classes. Now I'll head over to my series controller and I'll try to clean up this update series. So if request has file, we are uploading the series. For a start, let's just cut this out and actually just move it into our upload series request. So I'm just going to call request update series. Okay, then we'll head over to the update series request, paste that in, create that method which was update series, paste that in. So if request has file, we'll no longer be dealing with request, but we'll be dealing with this. So if this has file update series, let's pass in the series into this method as a parameter from our controller. So series right here. Then this upload series image, get the file name and get this title, get this description, and finally also get this title, then save. Okay, so right here we update the series, flash to the session, redirect the user to that route. So if everything goes well, we actually haven't broken anything and we can easily check that with our test suite. Great, we haven't broken anything, but I think our controller looks cleaner. When you come to our controller, you can read request update series and then you can visit this request class to see what series that is. Great job.